Coming up in this video, step-by-step process to .to. Come and teach in Vietnam.
Just came back from school, guys. Okay, now let's get into action. So, okay, guys, my name is Koikusi Kenya Brante. I'm from Ghana. A country with English as official language. Now, today, I'm talking about step-by-step process to come to Vietnam and teach in Vietnam. Step-by-step process. If today is the first time you are encountering my channel, that's all that I do. I talk about traveling abroad and the ways to do it successfully and a good way. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Again, like, comment, and share the video. By so doing, you get to join the beautiful family so that we can all find, something good to do. So guys, the first step to travel and teach abroad, the first step is one. In Vietnam especially, you need to have all your certificates available. So it includes your C1 certificate. So the C1 certificate tests your ability to speak and listen to English very well. And the next is your TEFL and your TESOL certificate. That's teaching English to natives of other languages or teaching English to speakers of other languages. You have that course, and then your university certificate. Now you need to have all these certificates legalized in your country foreign affairs. So for instance, if you're in Ghana, you need to have this document legalized at the Ghana Foreign Affairs. There they will conduct a check to see if the certificate really belongs to you. After that, they are going to swear an affidavit and put it onto it. Now, after all this process is completed, the next step is to take your certificate to Vietnam Foreign Affairs. I don't know if it's Vietnam, Vietnam Foreign Affairs. So there, they are going to also stamp it. They are going to legalize it. That's their way of giving foreigners permission to work in their country. So, Vietnam Foreign Affairs. If you are in Ghana, the Vietnam Foreign Affairs is in Nigeria. If you are in Uganda and Zimbabwe, I think it's closer to South Africa. And so depending on Nigeria, is in Nigeria. So if you're Nigerian, the Vietnam has got an embassy in Nigeria. You just walk into the Vietnam Foreign Affairs after legalizing it in your home country, and they will do that for you. Please let me take a sip, okay? Yeah, now let's move on. So after making all this legalization, the next thing to do is there are two ways to actually come here. So the first process is to get a work permit. So you can get a company in Vietnam that can sponsor you to come in. Once the company sponsors you, the company is going to work on the process. They're going to write to immigration that they've seen you and they like you and they want to work with you. And so they will write to immigration. When immigration approves, they will send an invitation letter. Based on that invitation letter, you can come to Vietnam and then look for some few schools or submit your CV to some schools. They will call you for a demo. You go. If you do well, you are chosen. If not, you move on to your next two. Now, the other step is that you can sit back in your home country and decide to go on Facebook. You can go on social media, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and all other handles. And you see schools advertising. If you go to Facebook, just search for jobs in Vietnam or Vietnam jobs. So there are a lot of them advertising day in and day out. So you go through. Now most of them require native speakers. But some also want non-native speakers. Now the non-native speakers are doing well, and so most schools that hitherto didn't want a non-native speaker now are accepting native speakers. And so when you get there and if you check and you are okay with the requirements and you qualify for the requirements, what you do is you check the email and then you apply. Everything they want you to send, you send it. If they like you, they'll write back to you and they will schedule an interview with you. And if everything goes well, you guys get to go and you are good to go. Yeah, some beautiful girls. Oh, man, some of these Vietnamese are beautiful. Because the view is just so good, man. Yeah, so If they like you, they write to you, and most of the times now, when you are recruited, they mostly give accommodation. They mostly give accommodation. But like I said in my other video, let them send the accommodation to you, because most of the times, if you don't check the accommodation, you come and you wouldn't like it. But if you get pictures of the accommodation and what they are giving to you, I think it's going to be very good. I mean, a very good accommodation like this, apartment like this, very good one like this, and you'll be good to go. Else, you'll be at, a place you wouldn't like. So that is just the step. This is the process to get to work and teach in Vietnam or in Asia. As simple as that. Guys, if you like the comment, if you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to this channel, because I've got a lot of good things for you and a lot of good information coming your way. Let's build a family and let's make it even bigger. Let me also know if I left something out, and let me also know if I left something out. You can just write in the comment section. Let me also know which country you are watching me from. Thanks for watching. It's a bye for today.